What you get for P0051. Check engine light, VSC off, VSC track off. So we're gonna reset it after replacing the oxygen sensor. P0051 on my Lexus GX470, and you will basically get a check engine light along with the VSC ABS light on. So your dashboard is going to be a Christmas light, and it's a bad thing because it's the upstream oxygen sensor, so it will actually affect your fuel trim, or you're going to get like a bad fuel consumption with that bad oxygen sensor. So it's actually the heater circuit that's failing on this one, so you could still drive the car around, but the check engine line will always be there. So I got this socket to remove it. Actually, it's very easy on the Lexus GX470. Once you raise up the car, you could actually see it. It's very visible. Mine doesn't have the covers anymore, so yeah, I'll just it's like a direct access to me. And then you put this socket over here, and yeah, once it's in place over here, let's see, maybe it should be the other way around. Yep. Once you have it like positioned like this, yep, you could actually probably over here. Then I'm going to put my socket on this end over here, over here, but it's very accessible. So I put in a PB blaster before removing that one. I'm going to take out the connector, which is over here, and you can just press the tab over here. Yep. Oh, sorry. Yeah, my hand is on the way, but yep, this is how tight the space is here. It's not really tight for my hand, but it's tight for the camera. Got the connector out, and I'm now free to twist or loosen the oxygen sensor. I broke it loose, so I could twist it by hand now. Yep. Yep. You could hear a loud bang in there once you loosen it with the socket. Placement 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 1, 3, 8, and they look very identical. This one is turned light gray compared to a dark gray here, and there's a copper anti-seize which you put there. Just a little bit. New one in, tightened with the copper anti-seize installed. Now I'm going to put the connector back in. Yep, this is the last thing you need to put back in. So again, sorry, cannot see the camera, cannot see anything here, but you know what I mean. Yep, this connector should go there. You should hear a click when you plug it in, and that means it's tight. Yep, we're ready to put the car back in and reset the code, and yep.